Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. Now, to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel straight from the top, and you will find this icon right over here. So once you see this kind of like a camcorder icon, you can simply click on it. This will give you a couple options right here. So if you're doing this for the first time, it does give you also names for it. What it does, if you want to tap on it, you can do so and it will switch over to all the options, though if you disregard it, it just disappears. So obviously we have first button for recording, then we have folder icon for actually seeing all the recording videos, though this will take you to the recording app to view them. You can also do that by simply going into your gallery instead. Then we have settings and close. Now you can go into the settings because in here you can actually customize how it will be recording the videos. So we have resolutions, video qualities, orientation, sound source, frame rates, and so on. So I do recommend you to go over these settings, customize them to your liking, and from there you can close this. Once you have customized the settings, click on the circle to start recording, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded. That will also include if you open up some kind of apps. I'm not gonna let it load, just take too long. So yeah, once that's recorded, you can simply tap on somewhere. Oh, there we go, there it is, on the overlay to stop it. And like I mentioned, you can view the video by tapping right here on the folder, which actually it started, at least they changed it so it takes me to the actual gallery anyway. So from here we can tap on the video. And there's the recording. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.